Hey guys, welcome to MANOCOOKS. In this video, let's learn how to recreate this much loved Bounty chocolate bites or bars at home. The sweet coconut filling coated in smooth chocolate is a match made in heaven. Let's get started. Take a bowl and let's add 1.5 cup fine desiccated coconut to that. And to that, let's also add half cup sweetened condensed milk. This coconut chocolate balls recipe is so easy that I'm really excited to share this with you all. Now let's go ahead and mix both of them very well as you see in the video. Once we have mixed it, let's go ahead and check by shaping a ball. Actually right now the mixture is little sticky. Since it is sticky, let's add 1/4 cup desiccated coconut again and mix everything until well combined. Also, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to MANOCOOKS and also please click on the bell button as I bring some very simple and easy recipes for you. Now once we have mixed it, let's make small bite-sized round balls. You can make into bounty bars as well, but since I wanted it to be small tiny bite-sized balls, I'm making them into round shapes. So here I have made all the coconut mix into balls as you see. For next step, let's heat some water in a pan, and once it is hot, let's turn off the flame and bring the container to the workspace. Keep a glass bowl or a small container on top of that. Now to the bowl, I am adding 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Alternatively, you can also take milk chocolate and break them and add to the bowl and keep mixing until chocolate melts. Now our chocolate mix is completely ready. Let's take the balls one by one, drop and coat all the sides with chocolate mix and carefully with the help of fork lift it out and allow the excess chocolate mix to drop off. Now as you can see, they look so cute and smooth and we have coated it very well. Now let's take a plate lined with butter paper and let's keep this ball on that and proceed with all other coconut balls the same way. I have added few sprinkles and some desiccated coconut on top just to make it more attractive. Now once this is done, let's keep it in fridge for 1 hour so that our chocolate coating sets nicely. After 1 hour, it is all set and it looks absolutely delicious and stunning, and I cannot stress this enough. You should try this recipe, for it is a super duper hit at my home and with kids too, and get ready to receive all the appreciation from your family too. I hope you liked watching this recipe. If yes, please do click on the like button and also share this video with your friends and family. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to MANOCOOKS and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I upload. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video. Until then, try this recipe and enjoy it, family.